Welcome back to another video. So today's video is a sparkly video. Still not got my nails done. They are a mess. Yeah, we've got some glitter. So this is from A&A Glitters. Which one shall I show you first? I'll show you this one first. Me and Joe picked out a few glitters that we liked. I picked out some and she picked out some, and we've split them. So I will show you first. This collection is the fairy collection from A&A Glitter. So let me just take these stickers off so I can show you a bit better. Right, so this one's called Tinkerbell. These are beautiful. They are, it's like a green hex mix, but it's not got the massive hexes, and it is matte. The hex mix is matte, but it's got micro mylar in it. Yeah, it's got micro mylar in there. These are beautiful. So that's like a mint green colour. I love it. You know me, I'm loving my matte glitters at the minute. But I love that it's got micro mylar in there. It's got like a bit of a holographic shift, hasn't it? That micro mylar. Yeah, so the green hex mix has got a fining with it as well, by the looks of it. That's beautiful colour. I love that. So that's Tinkerbell. Then this one is called Fawn, and it looks like a bit of a peachy colour. And again, same thing. It's matte hex mix with the micro mylar in. I'm not sure if they've got different colour mylar in each of these or if it's all the same. Looks very similar, but again, that's such a pretty glitter. I love it. Really unique these are. I'm so sorry. Every time I decide to film, my dog decides she wants to eat a dinner. So this one is called Rosetta. This is a pretty one. This is a very pretty one. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. See, this one looks like it's got little shards of pink mylar in it. Yeah, I think this has got... Yeah, this one's got pink mylar in it. This one. Very pretty colour. I really like that. Oh, I can't wait to use some of these. These are perfect for spring, Easter. Really nice Easter spring colours, aren't they? So this is called Silver Mist. And this is like a really light green, a lot lighter than that one. They look a lot more similar on camera, but it's a lot lighter. So again, it's got the micro mylar in it. Yeah, this has got bits of green. I think they've all got the same mylar in, except this one's got extra bits of green in. That one had extra bits of pink in. Yeah, it's definitely got green mylar in with it, that one. Oh, I love these. These are beautiful. Right, quickly. This one's called Vidia. This is a beautiful colour. Really, really like this colour. I should have got all these stickers off first. Oh, look at that one. Such a pretty purple, that, isn't it? Such a pretty purple. I love that. I love it. Oh, can't wait to use these. I really can't. Right, and lastly out of this collection, so it's a collection of 6. This one's called Iridessa. Yeah, I should have took all these stickers off first. I'm so sorry. Iridessa. Oh, look at that one. Bright, bright yellow. I love that. I'm not normally a yellow person, but oh, that's so pretty. Easter. That's going to make a gorgeous Easter bunny set, isn't it? For sure. Oh, yeah. These are gorgeous. I really, really like them. Right, so that's the fairy collection. And then in this one, there's another collection. 2 more collections, I think, in this one. Right, so this first one is just a collection of 3, and it's the jelly mix. So we've got... The first one is mango. Look at that. It's like a coral, isn't it? So this is like... yeah, it's like a coral. It's really hard to see on camera. It's like an iridescent hex mix, but it's got... yeah, like a coral kind of shift to it. It's really, really pretty. Really pretty. Look at the colours. Gorgeous that. I love it. Right, and then this one is called Grape. Again, same thing, but this has got like a purple shift to it. These are beautiful. Really, really pretty these are. This is the first time I've ever bought glitters from A&A Glitter. And this one is called Bubblegum. And it's a nice pink. Oh, that's a pretty pink, isn't it? I love this iridescent shift. I love how they're all iridescent, but different colours. Anyway, right, this last collection is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, yeah, this is a collection of 6, and this is the Wonderland collection. So let me get all these stickers off actually. Right, so yeah, this is the Wonderland collection. This one's called Queen of Hearts. So it's actually got loads of hearts in there. Red, silver, but it's got, it's hard to explain. It's got red hexes, but they're matte, and it's got a fine, like metallic red. It's got black hexes that are matte. It's a really cool mix that. I really like it. I really, really like that. It's hard to see the different colour hearts because of the hollow. But yeah, I love the red and black matte glitter in there. And it's got a fine red matte and a fine red metallic. And I love that the hearts have got the little flicks on. Yeah, that's a cute mix. I like that one. I do like that one. Right, so this one is called Absalem. And it's got 3 different colour blue hex mix, but the light blue are matte and the other 2 blue are iridescent. And it's got that beautiful micro mylar in this one as well. Such a pretty mix. I love that. Do you know what I love about this whole collection as well? Maybe not these 3, they're different, but none of them have got them big hexes in. I love these size multi-mixes, I really do. But anyway, yeah, that's that one, Absalem. Beautiful colour, love that. This one's called Cheshire Cat. Look at this one, guys. Again, it's got 3 different shades of pink, and it's got like an iridescent kind of light blue teal colour. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I love these types of glitters. They're hard to explain, they really are. They kind of look matte, but they've got like an iridescent shift to them. They're beautiful. There's a lot of these glitters, kind of glitters around at the minute. So this one's Madhatter, and it's a green one. Look at that, it's stunning. Again, this has got micro mylar in it as well. Such a pretty colour. Yeah, that's got all different shades of green in it as well. These are beautiful. There's not a single one of these that I don't like. Not a single one. Right, look at this one. This one's called Alice. Look at that. Again, it's got matte white, matte blue, matte yellow. Yeah, the hex mix in it is matte. And then it's got a tiny fine iridescent in with it. I love that. I absolutely love that. So pretty. I think it's got silver. Yeah, it's got small silver hexes in that one as well. Beautiful. Right, and lastly out of that collection, yeah, that's a collection of 6. We've got Tea Party. This is my favourite out of this collection. Look at that. That screams Easter, doesn't it? That screams Easter to me. Oh, they're so pretty. They are so pretty. This reminds me of one of the sweet collection I've got from Sparkle Supplies. It's that same kind of glitter. Oh, I love them. I absolutely love them. Right, so that's the 3 collections. And lastly, they had another collection that was called Matte Bright Collection, but they only had 2 colours left. And me and Joe were gutted because they're beautiful. Look at that. It's just pure matte glitter. And it's called Mustard. Oh, is that beautiful or what? Oh my gosh. Yeah, they had a blue, they had a red, I think they had a green, but they'd sold out, and this was the only 2 colours they had left. They had that one, mustard, and they had this one that's called raspberry. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I hope she gets the rest of these back in stock because they're beautiful. The blue out of this collection was gorgeous. But yeah, I love that. I don't know what it is about matte glitters at the minute. I'm just really, really liking them. I really am. But yeah, that's my A&A glitters haul, guys. Quickly, want to show you as well one last thing. Jo bought me these as a gift, bless her. Look at these guys. Mickey and Minnie Gucci decals. These are from Rachel Hanks. I'm not sure if that's the website or if that's who prints them. But I will leave the link in my description box to where Jo got these. They are stunning. It's quite a big decal sheet as well. It's a lot bigger than the normal ones you get. And they start off small and they get bigger and bigger. So yeah, I really, really like them. Thank you, Jo, so much for sending me them. I absolutely love them. Aren't they pretty? I love that she's got the Gucci bow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, Rachel Hanks. I'll leave the link in my description box for these. They're gorgeous. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll leave the link to A&A glitter in my description box as well. Love this fairy collection. Love it. I love them all. They're beautiful. Can't wait to start using them. Perfect timing going into spring and Easter. All these colours are going to be perfect. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel with your notifications on so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.